Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur your video using InShot, the popular mobile editing app. It's super easy and I'll walk you through it step by step, so let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap on video, then select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Now to blur your video, here you can find the effects option. Now tap on it. Then tap onto the effect option once again. Here you can find the option of blur. Now go ahead and tap on it. Now scroll through the effects. Now here you can find a lot of blur options. Now tap onto one according to your preference. Once you tap on it, you will see the blur applied to the whole video. After choosing one blur effect, simply tap onto the check mark right here. Now you can apply the effect in only one part of the video, or even in the whole video. And when you are ready to save your work, just tap onto the check mark. And that's it. Your video is now blurred exactly the way you want it. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.